I should be writing. Should have been writing for months. I'll do it tomorrow. So I just woke up and now I am gonna walk my dog before writing, before doing anything else. There she is. And do you want me to show you how I walk my dog? I don't think so. It's gonna be boring. So I won't. Okay? I won't. We're just gonna be inside the house because I'm an introvert and I don't want anyone to see me with a big camera outside. I'm just gonna walk my dog, okay? She's gonna probably poop and you don't want to see that. So what in the world are we gonna do today? I said I'm gonna write, but I'm gonna film a couple of like B-roll for this new video of mine. And after that, I'm gonna write. And I will probably show you what I will use because I usually move around the house a lot because of my dog. She's a pup, and I need to be like right there every time because she might eat some books. Yeah, some precious books, hardbound books. That's very expensive. So I don't want that to happen. So yeah, that's why I have like a almost like a portable setup. And I'll show you that. And then I would start writing. I'll probably start for about like 500 words at first. And then if I get to 1,000, then that's a plus. It's been a while that I've like written uh, day by day because of this YouTube thing. But I want to get uh, started with it again. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, so that's the plan for the day. Maple, come. Good girl. Maple. I'm gonna eat lunch, an early lunch. It's, I don't know, 11:36. I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna get coffee and then we'll write. Yeah, I'll write. I'll probably need to plan it first. Anyway, yep, I'm gonna eat first. Yes, that's my lunch. Don't judge me. This is my first lunch, by the way. First lunch or a snack. I'm an adult. I can eat whatever I want. So I have these. Yep, those. Like a fake crab. But they're tasty. Alright? Just gonna put just one little snow crab. Fake snow crab. Drop it there. Hot water. Yep. What I'm gonna do? All right. Okay. So I use for my writing when I'm on the move, which is like on the move in the house. It's not outside, like a different state or a different country. But when I'm in the house, I usually use a Keychron keyboard, Q1 Pro, which is this one. I'll show you it later. And then the Boox tablet Ultra. It's not the color one because I don't want colors. Any more distractions while I'm writing. So I do the black and white one. I think it's the Boox Tab Ultra. That's it. But if I really don't want to have any like distractions, like none at all, I'm gonna use the Remarkable 2 with the built-in keyboard, or the Remarkable Paper Pro, which is this one. Yep, this one. Yeah. It has a built-in keyboard too. It's not a built-in keyboard, you need to pay extra for that. I forgot how much is the keyboard for this one, but it's a standard keyboard. It's a chiclet style. It has just a teeny tiny bite in every press, and that's it. Uh, do I like it? It could be better. They could have like put some Bluetooth here so I can use my keyboards. But no, they didn't do that. Which is like, why? All right, let me show you the. All right. Yep, there they are. There they are. So they're fine, and without distractions, you really can get into the flow of writing, which is what I need now, because I kind of want to relax at the end of the day because I will have work tomorrow. So yeah, I will probably use this or use the one that I said, the Boox with the Keychron. It'll depend on me. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Because in the Boox tablet, I can use Word, which is directly connected to my desktop, and it's gonna be easier for me and by means of like transferring. For the remarkable devices, you need to email it to yourself, to your email, and then you just copy and paste that. But you will lose your like edits, like italicized or like those stuff. Yeah, so we'll see. I'll eat my food first and wake myself up with my coffee. Sounds like a plan. It's a hot day outside and I'm eating this. Oh. Welcome to the small studio. This is where I, shoot my videos. And we're gonna shoot a couple of B-roll like what I said. Yep, let's get that over with. Hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lucas, and I'm a self-published author. Let's just say author. I've been doing this for, let's say, 12 years. I lost count. As long as it's more than 10 years. I've been doing it since I was 17. Right at the boom of self-publishing. At the time of Yuhawi and forgot what's her name. Amanda Hawking. I forgot. Yeah, Amanda Hawking. That's my introduction. All right. So I've decided I'm gonna use the Boox Ultra. Yeah, so I'll show you my setup, and forgive my desk here. It's extremely dirty. It's this dirty because I really haven't been here for a while. So I just like put some crap here and call it a day because I'm not seeing this every day. So yeah, that's why it's dirty. Anyway, Boox Ultra. Yep. So this is the Boox Ultra. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's just a tablet, an e-ink tablet. I have a review, so if you check that out, that would be great. Anyway, I'll show you. Oh yeah, there's an update because I just updated it because it's been off for months. All right. Anyway, that's the Boox Ultra. Let's just put that aside while it's updating. And then this one, this is the stand. You can use any other stand. This is a standoff, I believe, Lamical. Yeah, Lamical. It's right here. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Lamical. I'll just put it Lamical. There you go. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this stand. Gonna put it right here. And then for the Keychron tablet, it's in the case because it's slightly brand new. You know, if you're in the mechanical keyboard world, you either buy it stock or buy it bare bones, which you can like modify yourself. This is like in the midway because I built this halfway because Keychron, they're bare bones. You don't really need to build yourself. It's just it. They'll just send it to you without keycaps, without keys. I mean the switches. So yeah, I just provided my own switches and keycaps, and I built it. Anyway, oh, and the switches here. The switches here came from a keyboard that I've used for many years, and that keyboard like penned a couple of books of mine. So I just grab the heart of that keyboard, which are the switches, and put it in this new one, which is like a all metal keyboard. Anyway, here it is. I usually name my keyboards. This one, I don't have a name for it yet. Gosh, that's heavy. All right. There you go. Look at that beauty. The switches here, they're box jades. They're clickies. And I love clickies because it's my preference. All right? Don't hate on me if you're like a mechanical keyboard enthusiast. I like clickies. I only like box jades though. That's it. If you let me use like any other clickies, I would throw it in the trash. Don't make me use blues. No, don't do that. So yeah, these, which is I really love. The keycaps are from Mode. I think they're Obscura, the name. Mode Obscura. I'll put it in the screen, or I'll put it in the description. So I'm just gonna put this case right over here in the junk section, which is like all of my desk. So I'll just put it here. So, oh, I forgot. I also use iPad when I'm writing every now and then, because that's the main device where I save the book, the chapters of the book. I use Scrivener in iPad. I don't use Scrivener in desktop because I think it sucked. No, it doesn't suck. It sucks. It sucks so bad. So still don't hate on me because it's the UI, the look it gives me, that it's not inspiring. Okay, that's why I don't like the Scrivener desktop. But the iPad one, it's like it's very nice. So I just use my iPad for the saving of all the chapters, the first drafts basically. And I also use the Magic Keyboard for the iPad, and it's very nice actually. The bite of each press of that keyboard is like, it's more satisfying than the Boox, than the Remarkable one. Speaking of the Boox, oh gosh, this is the Boox's keyboard. I don't like typing on this. It's serviceable, but I don't like it. Anyway, Boox has Bluetooth. That's why I can use this. And it supports third-party keyboards, so it can do wired too. So yeah, that's why I love Boox. Yep. All right, on to the writing. finished. It's 500 something words, 569, 68. Yeah, so I finished. And it felt great. I can easily do 1,000, but I told myself I'm just gonna chill today, which is like I still have a couple of hours to chill, to watch YouTube, just to like shut off my mind before work tomorrow. You can watch some of my videos. Watch some of them, you know. You might learn something. I do some writing tips uh based on like psychological framework because I'm really into that, like the psychology of reading, the psychology of writing, the the idea of like hooking the reader and keeping them in the book. So I've got some videos for that. So if you watch them, it'll be greatly appreciated. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.